بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Click on the link below for the online test. Name the angels who are appointed to put questions to the dead in the graves.
Munkar और नाकीर अलैहिस्सलाम.
Two angels are appointed on each person. One of them maintains the good deeds and the other one records evil deeds. These two angels are named as
करामन कातिबीन अलैहिस्सलाम.
The word Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a name has been mentioned in Quran only 4 times. Katib al-Anbiya is a title of
हज़रत शुएब अलैहिस्सलाम.
Hazrat Umar Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu, appointed as custodian of Bayt al-Mal. Abdullah bin Masud Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu. The effective zakat system can ensure the elimination of poverty. A verse of the Holy Quran indicates the name of
हज़रत ज़ैद रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा.
Masjid Zu-Qiblatin is situated in
मदीना.
who was a historian, justice, philosopher as well as politician.
अब्द रहमान बिन खल्दून.
Had kazaf, false accusation, viz. 80 lashes.